Forex traders are stressed out. Why are they stressed out? Because they keep day trading. Every day in front of their screen, clicking, buy, sell. Guys, I understand how you feel. That was me, because when I kicked off the foreign exchange market about 10 years ago, I wanted to make as much as I could. I wanted to make everything. And don't forget, you have access to the Forex market every day. So you are tempted to day trading. But guys, let me share with you the hack behind the foreign exchange market. The hack is actually trading less. I know most people are going to sign off about here. I don't care. I'm here to communicate with people who want to take this seriously. The hack behind the Forex market is your ability to comprehend what they call price action. Go on higher time frames and do what they call a top-down analysis. What's the top-down analysis? It is your ability to go on higher time frames, okay? Look at what exactly is happening on the higher time frame, project and predict before you scale down to lower time frames and trade in that direction. This way, you can trade and hold and allow the market make this go up for you. Let the market work for you, not the other way around. A lot of people are stressed, and I know this. I've been trading 10 years. So I know this stuff. That was me. I was every day clicking. You don't have to do that. I know this is what they teach you in all the seminars and webinars and all that. You don't need to do all that. So guys, if indeed you're interested in making a positive change in your trading and you actually want to see any fruit come out of this, your labor, because I know most of you guys have been trying, I've put together a free training that will teach you guys the most realistic approach to Forex trading. Yes, the link is going to be down below. Once again, my name is Dapo Willis, and I'm here to share with you guys the realistic approach, the truth to the foreign exchange market. Once again, click the link below. Stay with me for 15 minutes in the free, just 15 minutes on your phone. Stay with me, watch the free training and see if you like it. All right, guys, take it easy and peace.